Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the optimized battery charging and how it works on iPhone. Today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. It is all going to work the same on every iPhone, like literally every iPhone that you can get, it is going to work the same. So what you want to do to get to the setting, you want to open settings. This is the first what I will show you. Then you want to go to the battery, and then you want to go to the battery health and charging. So here you can find the optimized battery charging, and from the start it should be on. You can turn it on until tomorrow or just turn it off completely. So what it does, the optimized battery charging. So the iPhone is going to learn from you the daily charging routine. So basically what time do you start using the iPhone, and it will charge to 80%. And somewhere between, hour before you wake up, you start using your iPhone. It is going to start the charging again, to resume the charging to hit 100%, so the full battery. But for the whole night, if you're charging it for the whole night, it is not going to pass 80% until you need to use it. So let's say every time you get up at 8 a.m. So at 6:30 it is going to be at 80%. At maybe let's say 7:30 it is going to be at 95, and 100% is going to be at 8 a.m. because iPhone learned from you that you get up at 8 a.m. every morning. So you can turn this feature on, and let's say tomorrow you have a plane at 4 a.m. for example. So you want to then turn it off until tomorrow, and it will be turned off until 6 a.m. the next day. So, or you can just turn it off completely if you don't want to use it. But trust me, it saves some battery life of the maximum capacity. So I'm just using it, and I advise you to do the same. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!